Welcome to the virtual showroom at Mark's Auto Sales, where we have a 2004 Ford Ranger Edge trim. This is a 4x4 small pickup truck. This does have a 5-speed manual transmission, running boards, alloy wheels. It's just a nice, clean, sharp vehicle. Comfortably seats 2 passengers. I'll take you inside so you can be able to get a better look. Power steering. Have the center console there. Definitely great if you're wanting a work truck or small truck or something to be able to get around in the snow or any mountain driving you might do. Give us a call at Mark's Auto Sales. We'll be glad to talk to you about our buy here, pay here options on this vehicle and others in our inventory. Thanks.